Hey, it's Lady N at Racetrack Ladies, and coming to you Saturday night, July 14th, and I wanted to kind of give you a little wrap-up of the day and some of the activities happening. Well, I don't know if you heard about Kevin Harvick and Jeff Burton talking about drug testing, that there should be a lot more drug testing in the Cup and Busch series, and I have to agree with them. Coming off of last week in the heroin situation with Aaron Fike, it really makes it for a tough situation. I have always been one, I've had to do a lot of drug testing in the workplace, and not that I've always agreed with some of the situations, but I've worked in manufacturing, and there's been people on forklifts and driving and doing a lot of the equipment stuff, but when my favorite driver is out on the racetrack going 200 miles an hour, next to a person driving 200 miles an hour, I don't want my driver at any type of risk. And just like I don't want somebody in the workplace driving a forklift around other employees putting their lives at risk. So I have to agree with Kevin and Jeff that NASCAR really needs to set this up, that there's something going on, and now that heroin steps into the issue, it needs to be addressed. And then practice today, in Cup practice, Mark Martin backed it into the wall, and now he's going to the backup. He's in a backup car. He backed it into the wall. He's not happy. He says it makes him sick, and he'll never forget it as long as he lives. Boy, the dude takes this way too serious. So I guess, it should be serious, but oh my gosh, as long as he lives. Elliot Sadler also had a wreck in practice, and Evernham looked really stressed about the whole situation. Says they just need to figure out what's going on. And then the Busch series, I heard Brad Keselowski, if you recall, and he was in the truck last week for Ted Musgrave. Well, this week he's got a free ride deal, and I think it's for junior, DEI or junior. He finished 14th. I did get a chance to check that detail out, but I'm so glad to see Brad, who was so fabulous in the truck last week for again, got a ride, and then Harvick won. I have issues with these Cup drivers winning all these races in Busch, but it's good. I like Kevin, so we're very happy for him. Then we had the truck race tonight, and oh my gosh, how much drama could it have had? David Green was filling in, he's actually driving the number 1 car, the Red Horse Racing. That was Aaron Fike's truck, who was 8th in points, but now David Green got in, and he finished 5th. He got in, he hadn't driven a truck in 2 years, and he goes in it, gets in the ride that tells you either he's a great driver or the truck is really great, and he finishes 5th. Then we get John Wood, who steps back into truck, in the 21 truck. He finishes 6th. Guy's not been driving for 5 weeks. He really had a really tough season, all of a sudden finished 6th. That's got to be a boost for his morale. How exciting for him. And then, who wins the race? Mike Skinner. Hoping that he would be a little bit more humble in the victory lane, but no, he said it was like taking candy from a baby. Mike. I'd hope you had been a little bit more humble than that, but no, you weren't. But still, I think you're going to be our champion this year. But anyways, glad you won, and it was a full day of racing. Tomorrow we're in Chicagoland, and we'll be ready to see what it gives us. Hopefully an exciting race, let's hope. Chicagoland tends to be a little long, but let's hope it gives us something tomorrow. All right, everybody, this is Lady N kind of wrapping up the day in racing and what's happening out there. Lots going on, but we'll probably have more tomorrow, and hope that you've had a great day. See you on the other side.